Hey, I'm Mechanical Engineer, and today we're going to be opening up some packages. It's a boy! So like everyone, I buy a decent amount of stuff online, but the only kind of stuff I ever buy is for the channel in one way or another. Seriously, like 95% of the stuff I ever buy is for the channel. And so since I buy a decent amount of parts and stuff online, when the packages get here, I often have no idea what they are, and so it's super fun to open them up and find out. It's like Christmas Day, and I love every single gift because I bought it for myself. And you guys, for the channel, but you know what I'm saying. And so I was thinking, why don't I share this with you guys, because you guys watch the videos, these are parts for the videos, it's kind of fun all around, I think we can all enjoy it. So for the past few months, or weeks, I don't know, I lose track of time, I've been filming the opening of every single package I have received, and I believe we finally have enough footage to release a video, because if I wait any longer, it'll be ridiculously long. Now, as I said, I've been opening these as I receive them, so this video spans like a decent amount of time, so a few of these builds are in the past, but regardless, it's still fun to watch. We're gonna have a good time. But enough talk. Without any further ado, let's grab the closest pocket knife and get the package opening. Oh yeah, and real quick, don't mind the electrical tape. I got a cut and I just don't want it to seep and bleed on camera because that's nasty, so I wrapped it up. And no, this is actually not the knife juggling cut you heard about. I actually got this one from a zipper, believe it or not, so that's weird. Oh well, on to the packages. Now, I think I know what's in this one, but I have no idea what's in this one. It feels like a t-shirt or cloth or something, which is weird because I don't buy anything online unless it's directly related to the channel. And the only thing cloth I would have bought would have been my screen printing cloth, but I already got that like a month ago, so no idea what's in here. So I'm going to start with the yellow package that I think I know what it is. I think I know what's in it. I don't know, I worded that weird. Let's see what's in here. Want to make sure it's nothing weird. Okay, we have another package. This might be cocaine, coconuts, jump cut. So let's open this up. I'm beginning to wonder if this is what I think it is. Oh my land, it is not, but it's even better. It is 1000 RPM in-20 motors for my 1 pound bot Talon. That video is coming up apparently a lot sooner than I thought, because I thought these were still like a month or two out. That's exciting news. That video might be coming very soon now. On to the next mystery package. Like I said, it feels like a t-shirt or something, but there's something very lumpy over here. Whatever, let's open it up. Have a little tiny peephole. Okay, this is unusual. Oh, wow, that was fast shipping. Okay, this is actually not necessarily build related, but these are, you're welcome. These are bags to ship my t-shirts in. The t-shirts I'm selling, there's these little bags that you slip the t-shirts in to protect them, and then you'll slip the bag and the t-shirt into the mailing bag itself, which I also have coming. Here's the t-shirt in question we're talking about. Let's sell this like nerds. Link in description. Don't worry, I'm not gonna plug this like crazy. I'm gonna take it like super chill. Next package. These two are about the same size, so I figure we'll just open them together. I think these are motors for one of my battle bots. At least one of them are, but I guess we'll see, won't we? And yeah, these are, I think these are 1000 RPM 6 volt in 20 motors. If I can actually get inside here. Yes. I'm pretty sure these are 6 volt, 1000 RPM in 20 motors. I already have some, so I just ordered more. And then these must be my 1000 RPM 6 volt. I don't know what these are. They're larger though. Have some more torque to them. And so they are. I think there's 2 in here as well. Yep. So I just ordered these as more spares for my battle bots because I didn't have enough money at that point in time to order a whole bunch of them. So more BattleBot motors. Next package. Here we have another bright orange one. For some reason they put my address on both sides, so I had to marker this one out. But who cares? Let's open it. Hey, I don't think I needed that knife. Wow, that was exceedingly fast. These are wheels for Rytron. We have some like humidity buildup in there. That's pretty crazy. These, I think these are originally built for N20 motors. Yeah, those aren't too bad. Wow, those are actually really nice. They're built for N20 motors, but it's just a 3mm D shaft female receiver thingamajiggy. So, wow, I really like those. That's pretty awesome. Are those level though? I don't know, we'll have to, that might just be my fingers. Those are really cool though, I'm excited about those. Actually, depending on when you're watching this, the new Rytron video might actually be out, so yeah, this isn't the past for you, maybe. I don't know, depends on how much I procrastinate. El Nexto Package-O. Another bright orange one. Surprise, surprise, this is the most popular color for packages, so I don't know why I'm announcing it every time, but I am. And oh my goodness, more wheels for Rytron. So when I ordered these wheels, it said they were gonna take like a month or two to get here. I didn't know they were gonna get here in like a week and a half. That was a pleasant surprise. So I'm like, hey, let's buy some of these little Lego wheels, which I already have a few of these. These have some nice traction, and maybe we'll use those instead, but we don't have to. This is amazing, I love this. I now have so many wheels, I'd make a wheel collector jealous. Hey, Caesar came out to see us. There's my little gecko, Caesar. How are you doing, Caesar? What do you think of my BattleBot wheels? Aren't those pretty stinking awesome? Yeah, you like those. Kind of scared you, I'm sorry. You want some more mealworms? I'll see what I can do later. Next package. Ooh, look, they sent us a white one just to keep things interesting. Now, I'm not 100% sure what's in this one. I'm not really sure what's in any of these, but for some reason, the feel of it has me very excited. I don't know why. Feels like a collector's case, but at the same time, I didn't order a collector's case, and I don't collect anything except subscribers, and I'm not very good at that. Okay, oh. I'm actually gonna have to say this pretty quietly because I don't want my brother to know about this yet, but I ordered, as you can see, all three of them. I think that'd be pretty awesome. I have never seen these before, but I'm excited. Oh yeah, baby. Next package. Here is a nice big box. Well, actually, it's not that big, but it's bigger than what we've been opening. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I believe these are my new business cards. So let's find out. Ooh la 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 la. And they are. I thought I only ordered 500 of them, but this is looking like a lot. So congratulations, you guys are actually going to be the first, well, depending on when this video is released, are going to be the first people to see my new business cards. If I can open these things up. Is this the best? I feel like this is the best way to do it. Here we go, have a Vistaprint business card telling me how my business card works or something. I don't know. Anywho, here are my business cards. Look at that. I like that. New videos every Friday on YouTube Mechanical Engineer, my little, what do you call it, channel link or whatnot. And in the back, I have a short little description of what I do. I like those a lot. Those are super cool. Wow, and this is a lot more. I wonder if they sent me too many, because this looks a lot more than 500. Because I thought I just bought 500 last time, and it was not this big. I don't know, I don't want to sit here and count them, but I'm very curious. I wonder if it says on the box somewhere. I mean, it's 1 of 2. Was there paper in the box? I just threw the, where the heck did I throw the box? Nothing. I don't know, we'll say that, so that would be what, $2.50 each? I guess that would make logical sense. Anywho, I really like those. Those are super dope. 10 out of 10, would buy again. Actually, before I move on, if you guys buy like anything from me, one of these cards will most certainly come with your order. So I don't know if that's I don't know why I said that, but just so you know, it'll be in there. Oh, and look at the detail on my my thumbnail. Not my thumbnail, my profile picture. I don't know if you guys know, but I completely reworked the profile picture about, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago. It like sucked. What? Let me get the old business card. We'll do a new and old comparison. So here is the old business card. As you can see, it is like, man, I'm trying to get the light off of this. As you can see, it's like super basic. The back is even simpler. And look at that little thumbnail. Not the, what I keep calling it, the profile picture. Doesn't that just suck? And now look at the new one. So much more detail. In my mind, looks so much better. And the cards look a lot better. Amazing. Now we can move on. Next package. Here we have a big old boy, and I actually know what this is, and that is 3D printing filament, as you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and leave these in the shrink wrap because I don't want to expose them to humidity until I absolutely need to. But yes, this is 3D printing filament for my relatively new, well, brand new 3D printer, which is a Creality Ender 3. I got this 3D printer about a month ago. Originally, I was relatively hesitant to buy it because I try to spend my money very wisely, but I am so stinking happy I did. I use this thing literally like every single day, printing parts and prototyping things. I stinking love it. That's actually where a lot of my free time over the past month has gone, printing with the 3D printer and getting relatively good at CAD. I'm using FreeCAD and I'm getting pretty confident with my skills. Of course, I still have a lot to learn, but I can do parts very confidently, which I'm very happy about. In fact, here is one of the little motor mounts I worked on, but more on that in a talent video. So I'm going to go ahead and put this this filamenti away, and then we can move on to the next package. I think I know what is in this one, but I guess we can't know for sure until we open it up. Oh, that's a pleasant surprise. This is not what I thought it is. These are actually square nuts, square 440 nuts for that motor mount I was talking about. I was actually waiting on these to arrive so I can finalize my design. So now that I have these, we are good to go. Next package, a nice little teeny tiny one. Not too teeny tiny, but tiny. And we have, yes, little micro Bluetooth audio receiver boards. I need these for those little tiny micro Bluetooth boombox kits I'm going to start releasing and selling. As you can see, I only have 5. I'm hoping to do a very small controlled product release, and we'll see how well it goes, and hopefully we can scale upward from there. These were actually the parts I was really waiting on because these take a long time to ship, like a month and a half, 2 months. So now that we have these, hopefully things can speed up a little bit. So stay tuned for these bad boys. And so there you guys have it, all of my packages so far. If you guys would like me to make another video like this in the future, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you'd like to send me hate mail, the best way to contact me is either through email or DM me on Instagram. But for real, if you guys ever want to ask me a question or a series of questions or just have a conversation, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm pretty active on there. I don't know where the heck I'm pointing to. There's nothing over here. The link's gonna be below. But hey, thank you so much for you guys watching. I hope you did enjoy this video, and if you did, please feel free to hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And Lord willing, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to subscribe. So it's so stinking hot outside, I moved my camera rig inside. Well, one of my camera rigs inside. That's where I've been filming, because it's like ridiculously hot outside, and I'm just so sick of putting up with it. But I'm not complaining. I love the heat. Lord forgive me, for I have lied.